meters. Turn right onto Cedar Avenue.
The past few days are really tough. It almost made me quit. What is the thing that you're really afraid the most? This past few week was the longest week of my entire life. I have a chronic constipation with bleeding and needs to be checked through colonoscopy. That's where I experience severe anxiety and depression. Depression is a mental health disorder that affects a person's mood, thoughts, and behavior. It is characterized by a feeling of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities that a person once enjoyed. There are times that I can't eat, I can't sleep, I overthink a lot because of all the symptoms I felt. I lost interest in almost everything, especially with my passion to create. Everything is so depressing. There are times I cry on my car because of negative thoughts. But I told myself I needed to overcome this. Instead of entertaining those negative thoughts, I fight back and started to get active and just be positive.
So it's already 5:30 in the morning and papunta na ako sa gastro for my procedure and hope everything turns out okay.
I went to the hospital early, and after half-day procedure, I am very thankful to God because everything is normal. The moment I am finished, I went directly to the church where me and Lou got married and just kneel and cried. God is good all the time. I love my family and I love my kid, and I can't imagine their lives without me. That experience gave me a lot of learnings and realization, especially to take care of ourselves no matter what. It made me closer to my family and especially to God. It also gave me another reason to celebrate life. It is my 35th birthday and I have a number of things to be thankful for. I celebrated with my friends, my family, and colleagues. I also spent my me time and focused on the positive aspects of life. Last year, I spent my 34th birthday freediving. And this time, I would like to also do the same thing. Freediving helps me reduce stress and anxiety. Being in the underwater environment is always a calming experience. It also gives me a unique opportunity to connect with the natural world and observe marine life in its natural habitat. Aside from the awesome experience, one great thing about freediving is the friends you met along the way. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. So, what's the thing that you are really afraid the most? It is simply getting sick and be away with my family. If you're watching this, take care of yourself. If you feel something that's not normal, go and have it checked. Always eat healthy, take care of your health and family, and always find time to thank God for the gift of life.